Brandon, for the night out. The food and drinks were great, and the performances from the artists, really good. I definitely think this is going to be my new spot to chill as of now.
Apologize all mine in Rachel, and thank you for coming out too. Definitely appreciate the fact you make the time to come hear me out still as it.
Listen to me, Brandon. I really like you, and seeing your picture on the spot news media definitely rubbed me the wrong way. So if you really want us to work, I would suggest you leave that lifestyle alone.
But Rachel, remember I tell us here, me had the victim, you know. A friend them a try frame me, and that's why them put up my picture all about on social media. So me don't know nothing about them type of lifestyle, Rachel, but me I hear her still, Rachel, me I hear her still.
Brandon, listen to me. I've been watching YouTube blogs for a while now, and whenever a person is featured on that channel, that person is usually involved in one way or the other. I see the goodness in you, and I know you want good for yourself. And this is not the way to go about it if you've been wronged, okay? So now I'm trusting that you'll do the right thing. You're not too far gone.
All right, Rachel, me hear everything where you say perfectly well. I'm not going to disappoint you. I'm not going to disappoint my mother, and I definitely not going to disappoint myself. So just trust and believe me to do the right thing. All right?
Okay, Brandon. I definitely believe that you'll do the right thing.
All right, Rachel, come up my walk with you guy, your car come. I don't want you 2 days out on the road too late still. Definitely want you to reach home safe.
Yo, a tool. You know some more you come give me a link round pa my block right and all that. Need to chat to you about something well urgent. And bring one other soldier when 10 years forward with you, is it?
Yeah man, my general man, where are some man me a forward around Pandians right and now come girling the boss, that's a 40.
Yo, a tool. We are dealed. You know some me have a one problem that we need for deal with in our night, yeah. The boy country with the out on the front there will off the front, man. The need you and the little juvenile here for go round our front, go all on pon him and can't come round here. We need to have a serious reasoning with him. So just deal with that and bring the boy country come round here bilious. You hear me say I told? To deal with that right now.
Country, my boss. So where country go out? Alright, my boss. Nobody say I would, my general. Now I gave a question a thing. Yo, juvenile, forward, like a link country. Yo, country, you know, say you, the general, someone for come link round on the front. So you are go on. Make that little juvenile go on, wall off the front, and me and you go back around on the back to link the general. Is it? General same one will I reason with you.
Well, I say I told the general one will I reason with me. But what? How I go on at all? Let me know what the general want, my boss.
Country, what kind of question that you ask, man? Or if you ask me what the general want. When I reach around on the Batman, I ask the general that to him face, man. Nobody go on like you want to come draw me or nothing, you know. I ask the general that himself. Nobody ask me nothing. Anyway, forward.
Alright, my boss. Me here, me a forward, man. Me a forward. The old juvenile just go on wall off the front there for me and see me. I go link the general around on the back.
Yo, a tool, you know, so we have a big problem in our place, though.
Well, yeah, say my boss, what kind of problem we have in our place. Talk to me now, my boss, I could just go deal with that quick and fast.
Don't worry yourself, man, a tool. We not have to go too far, cause the problem turn up right side of you, so. And the boy country are the problem. We get to understand, say, boy country make phone call to man over city. Call the boy where them call Tuggy and I tell Tuggy say Brandon come over here and oh Brandon have strap on them ends and beer things. A boy country make all of this you see go on right you know. All the way you see I reach the little youth Brandon a boy country run off him mouth and I make the enemy know exactly what go on.
Where I say my boss? Country. That you really are going with round there. Hey boy country you know so you forget discipline for that. Yo, John or youth, I know some lose half of your youth. I know what day me even put in a good talk to the general. I say yo the general for boss you differently. And a them thing you are going with youth.
Me in a general? No general, no general. Not like that general. Not like that my general. Me general? No, my general. Not like that, my general. Me nah do enough of mine farming, my general. Me never like them boy do over this, my general. We are say, my general, me call Tuggy Tuggy. No, my general, man. Nothing like that, my boss.
Hey boy country, lock off your mouth too, you know. Me no want you give man enough of my tough chat now that too, you know. Hear me I say a tool. Put something over your mouth, tear up your mouth. Can't go around a torture room, I go meet you around there shortly.
Hey boy country, you know say me lose half of you. And come to think of it too, general. You know say boy did a come to me and I ask some little question like him concern about Brandon and strap and beatings. I find the boy want find out if Brandon really have a strap for go squeal. And that really go on with boy country. Jano youth, me lose half of you for that man, but the general I got deal with you. Yo, go around this so quick and fast before me have to deal with the savage writer saying of youth. Hurry up, walk with me.
No, my boss. No, my boss. Boss it. Yo, General Star. Boss it. Yo, General Star boss it. General Star boss. Boss it. Yo, General Star.
Yo, a tool. Take off the piece of cloth from off her mouth. Come on, really understand from the boy. I want make him a priest so corrupt against the youth, Brandon. Take off the cloth.
Yeah man, my general, I say I would come really want fear too.
What kind of style that boy country? What kind of style that you pull off? You come like you want the man them get all man strap over city and baiting. Come like you want bait up man mission, you want bait up man move. What kind of style that?
No, my general. No, my general. It's not no style me I try pull off by any my boss. It's not no style me I try pull off by my boss. I chew me there as a loyal soldier to here, no general. And my sister boy, big idiot Brandon just come over here and you just give my strap just to my boss. So I start pre one little waste and I say, yo, Brandon a no bad man, so Brandon fi have strap my boss. But me never call nobody my boss. Me no call nobody. Me no give no information to no police nor not my boss. Me no do none of them type of thing them my boss. So me no know what kind of argument that them a bring for my boss. And I me do all of that my boss.
But nobody never mention say you tell policeman boy. So I you call the police them and I give them anonymous tip. You. Never see smoke without fire. You a tool. You bring the tools to each other. I want a wire cutter, I want all of them little snipper there. And I need a pair of pliers. Cause right now, that boy ya go feel it wicked idea. May I show you say yo, you have to stop run off your little beat them weird upon bad manins.
We are say man, my general man, if I say touch a room, you know, I don't know say tools to the trade for there. Them thing that they right here some boss. Just say the word and me just hand it to you. Yeah man, now we are talking about my general man, we have that luck. What you think them call me a tool for? All I tools he trade. Ready.
Yo, give me pliers and give me the little snipper there. Cause me a pluck out every teeth out of the boy mouth and cut out in tongue. Me I show the boy a something idea.
Why, Father, Jano, Father, my teeth, Father, Lord, my teeth, Father, my Father, and I've been dealing with some Father. My Father, and me, my Father, Lord, get my teeth, my Father.
You a tool. We have to go left shortly still in a minute. Go up on the road, go deal with a small issue. So why you finish the job? Why you pick out every teeth out of your mouth? And why you give him a Colombian necktie and pick out every toenail? And this left him there and see a morning. By the time we come back, that's supposed to pass on to the afterlife, man. You just go shallow grave that I feed that to the act them over this. Yeah, man. That boy, they violate the thing.
I told, John was scar, I told, John was spare, I told, nah.
This time I don't even know what me I got to do right now. My mother I want me. My girl I want me. Everybody I want me. Even the old muckers Ashley I call me I want me. Everybody I want me. Yo, General Star. A part of me want care about the shop with Jigo. But the next part of me no want to hit the cars. I know if me care about Baggy, me maga look for me like a punk and more so I'm going to start pre me too because I know enough about enough. I mean, I want the man start pre me and next thing him go make a man come lick me when either. Yo, Jano Star. Come you like me get caught between a rock and a hard place. I don't know what to do right now, Star. Father always tell me, you know, we should have just listen to certain things when time the man attack. And just try to remember and practice them things in my life. Man said to me one night time, you know, some more time certain things happen in your life, man, you have to just give it some time for breeze over. Because how you feel about a certain situation, then give it some time, you won't feel so strong about the situation no more. And I see him thing I reach me right now. Me no feel so strong but better than and tuggy again. Jaja God, I don't know what to do.
How this? Sure. How Pinky want do lad. And all the way I'm loving her bag of chattings with Pinky still, you know. Hello? Hello? So Pinky, you hear me? Yeah, what go on, Pinky? You good?
Ashley, what go on, guess what? You know, said the little girl with me here said, take your man Brandon, me get her number for give. Yeah, girl, me get her number. Me have one of my little friend them will always go up a ribbies more time figure find them with uptown rich man if he take them money. She know her. She and I link up more time. The two of them are friend more time them go. They go drink and thing. She not really catch man still because she come from uptown so she have it like that. But at that my friend do. So me get her number for give. You need to go page the girl and make the girl know so she need for left your man. Yeah, girl.
How you say I get her number for you? Text it to me. Text it to me right now. Cause me have to go page the girl if it's you. Cause I want back my good man Brandon. She could have bright. She just come in at the place and just come take over just so. No, sir. I want back my good Brandon in my life. Cause of the best man that me ever get. And me nah lose him.
Yeah, girl. Me just send the number to you and make sure say you call the little dirty girl and page her to you know. And as you're done page her, make sure say you call me back and tell me all the way you go on with it. Cause I want to hear the full scoop. She could have bright.
I wonder if me really fi call a girl. If me call her, it could make things worse between me and Brandon. But me nah have nothing for lose really. Cause things not good between me and him anyway. But at least if me get for run her when me have a chance right this I could have come in back. So yeah, me call this like a nasty girl right you know. She could have bright but she want come downtown come take my gangster man Brandon. Could have bright.
Hello? Who's this?
Ashley, Brandon man. A girl me here say you a take my man.
Excuse me? Brandon's what?
Yo, my general, I know, so we get that little object to take him care of. What you want we for do with the object? Talk to me, my boss. Just let me know how we get it done.
Well, out little bit there tool me I forward round pon the ends the come want come see it for myself and make sure say I take care of the thing the right way.
Yeah, man, my general, man. We there wait for you, my boss.
Yo, send some juvenile go over the cemetery, tell them to go right round and back which part we always let half strap them and dig a little hole for the ball and get chew in here, see it. Deal with that and give me a hand right so I could chew it in a car back and can't go over the cemetery.
Alright, my general, forward now. Yo, Jano General, you feel the weight I saw the boy country every star? I saw the little maga country boy heavy. You know me swear say boy about 100 pound. Nah man, that boy a come like him feed pa a whole heap of yellow yam and dumpling. You know feel the bag heavy? Yo, come my general, come. Lift. 1, 2, 3. Jano star. The boy heavy.
The boy seriously heavy for true, you know. I never expected that little maga country boy I would have heavy so for real. Anyway, jump in the car front. Make a slide go over the cemetery real quick.
Yo, my general, the juvenile, them just send in a text and make me know, so yo, everything taken care of. I just we if you carry the object, go over there and now my boss.
Yeah man, that me a talk about man, well efficient, them little juvenile they move quick and fast. As we said, jump the juvenile in there to ask, oh I, the man them just get the job done. You what to, just kick it over in a wool man and make the juvenile them come cover it up, is it?
Yo, my boss, it seemed like that one I never get the memo. Walk and live. Talk and boom.